Today, we will answer this problem solving using the bar model approach or the Singapore math approach. So here's the question. Abby and Ben have 52 jelly beans altogether. Abby has 8 less jelly beans than Ben. How many jelly beans does Abby have? Now you can pause this video if you want to give this problem a try. Now suppose you pause this video. Now let's see if you got the correct answer. Alright, in this video, we will use what we call the bar model approach or the Singapore math approach. In this approach, we will use bars instead of variables like x, y, a, b. Now, let's read again the question. So let's understand the question. Abby and Ben have 52 jelly beans altogether. So we know if we combine the jelly beans of Abby and jelly beans of Ben, we get 52 jelly beans altogether. Now, the next is Abby has 8 less jelly beans than Ben. Then the question is how many jelly beans does Abby have? So we want the number of jelly beans Abby have. Alright, so let's have Ben and Abby. Now, let's have a bar for Ben. Now your question, can we first have the bar for Abby? And the answer is yes, of course. You get the same result afterwards. Now, here's the bar for Ben, and this bar represents the total jelly beans Ben have. Next, the next question is how long is the bar for Abby? Now, the second sentence says, Abby has 8 less jelly beans than Ben. It means we need to draw a shorter bar for Abby like this. And since Abby has 8 less jelly beans than Ben, this portion right over here must be equal to just 8 or just 8 jelly beans. Now, if we cut the bar of Ben like in this position, we know this piece right over here must be equal to 8 because they are just the same thing. Now, so what do we know about this problem? We know if we combine the number of jelly beans of Ben and Abby, we get a total of 52 jelly beans. Now from here, we will do some calculations. First, if we take away 8 jelly beans to the total, so we have 52 minus 8, this will give us 44 jelly beans. And notice that we have the same bar right over here. So these two bars represents 44 jelly beans. Now the question is, how many jelly beans are in these two bars? So what we're going to do is to divide 44 by 2. So 44 divided by 2, this will give us 22. Meaning these two bars contains 22 jelly beans. And there you go. Ben have 22 plus 8 or simply equal to 30 jelly beans. But in the question, we want how many jelly beans does Abby have? And Abby, the bar of Abby, have 22 jelly beans. Therefore, our answer to this question, how many jelly beans does Abby have? And Abby have 22 jelly beans. And that is the answer. Therefore, using Singapore math or bar model approach in this question, our answer is 22 jelly beans. And as always, we are done.